Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am with new video which will be marathon class of mango. This video will be beneficial for our agricultural students, especially those who are aspirant of JRF, SRF, ARS, BHU and other exams. Before beginning, press like button. If you have not subscribed yet, subscribe now and hit the bell icon too, because I will be covering all horticultural crops one after another. Be with me till last. We will cover every topics one by one patiently. This video will surely help you and boost up your preparation. Mango is also called king of tropical fruit, symbol of love, stone fruit, bathroom fruit, national fruit of India. Mangifera indica family Anacardiaceae. 2n equals to 4x equals to 40, basic number of chromosome x equals to 10, allo polyploid, amphidiploid given by Mukherjee. Origin Southeast Asia, Indo-Burma. Botanically type of fruit is fleshy drupe. Types of inflorescence, terminal panicle, number of flowers per panicle is 1000 to 6000. Flowering period is 2 to 3 weeks. Flower bud differentiation in India is October to December. Now fruit bud differentiation in South India December to January. Now in North India bearing cultivar is 0.1%. That is only 0.1% of fruit grows from whole panicle. Now about bisexual flower percentage, which is highest in Lengra variety of mango and lowest in Romani variety of mango. Normal sex ratio of perfect and male flower is 3:1. Here the pollination is cross and the pollinator is housefly. Critical factor for optimum fruit set is determined by proportion of perfect flower. It contains highest vitamin A next to papaya. Its specific gravity is equal to specific gravity of water. Protein content in mango seed kernel is 9.5%. Mughal period is considered as a gold time of mango cultivation because Emperor Akbar planted 1 lakh mango trees, which is designated as Lakh Bagh in Darbhanga, Bihar. In India, mango man is known as Kaleem Valah Khan. Now there are some controlling genes which control some of the characters, and these genes are single recessive gene and single dominant gene. Mango are classified into mainly North Indian and South Indian variety. North Indian varieties are monoembryonic and alternate bearer, whereas South Indian varieties are polyembryonic and regular bearer. Pit size for mango plantation is 1 meter cube, following square system by spacing 10 by 10 meter square. Now for propagation methods, there are 3 types of grafting: epicotyle, enarching and veneer. Epicotyle is followed in Maharashtra, enarching South India, veneer in North India. Very famous technique for rooting in mango is given by Reddy and Majumdar, which is called bottom heat root technique. We use mainly 3 types of rootstock: polyembryonic rootstocks, salt resistant rootstock and potential dwarfing clonal rootstocks. Paclobutrazole controls the emergence of new vegetative flush. Fruit drop can be prevented by using 2,4-D and NAA in the respective concentration. Smudging is a process of making smoky fire below a tree canopy which induces early flowering. It is mainly practiced in Philippines. Now we will look after mango varieties and its hybrids. You can pause and have a look. Wherever you have any query or question, you can put your query or question in comment box. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Now I have discussed about the physiological disorders. Number 1 is spongy tissue. You can pause and read it properly. Now there is biennial bearing, which is because of climatic factors. Now black tip. This is very important and frequently asked in most of the exams. cluster of fruitlets which look like jhumka. This is soft nose. The last is leaf scorching which is due to potassium deficiency.